Here's a quick tutorial on how to embed your Symbaloo for the content and curation module. So the first thing I do once I've selected all of my links that I want to include on the Symbaloo is to click share. Okay. And then I'm going to share this web mix. And I can fill in this pertinent information here. I do want to make sure that it is publicly available. And then I'll click share my web mix. From here, here's the link to my Symbaloo, but I want to embed it. So I'm going to get the embed code here. Then I'll need to copy this information to my clipboard. Copy, or I can just highlight it and press Control-C. And then I can close that. Then I'll go to my class, and I'll just delete this one so that I can do it all over again. Okay. And then I'm going to add a content block. And I'll just use embed the web in this case. And then if I have my code, I'm just going to paste it right there. Paste, and then click next. I'll give my title and click save. And there I have that active item right there on my wiki page. All right, take care.